Hey guys, please subscribe my channel Bhavya GlamGirl and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update from Bhavya GlamGirl.
Hello everyone, welcome to Bhavya GlamGirl and you're watching me Bhavya. So in today's video, I will be telling you effective ways to get rid of back and shoulder acne. Back and shoulder acne is a very common skin problem but is often a challenge to treat it. It may make you conscious before wearing a few clothes from your wardrobe that you may love. Acne can appear on any part of the body and at any age. It can be very unattractive at times. There are various factors which can lead to acne. So some common causes of acne may include, it can be genetic, hormonal changes can also cause back and shoulder acne, especially among teenagers. It can develop as a side effect of some medication. If you have oily skin, then you can develop acne very easily. Sweat can also be a reason behind your acne. You can get rid of acne at home with some simple home remedy. So let's get started. What are the home remedies to get rid of your back acne? Number 1 is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an essential oil in skincare products because of the various benefits it offers. It will help in treating acne by killing bacteria. You can apply tea tree oil on the affected area and leave it overnight. Number 2 is aloe vera. Aloe vera is the ultimate solution for all kinds of skin-related problems. You can apply fresh aloe vera gel on your back and shoulder directly. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties. It can work wonders on your skin and will nourish your skin as well. Number 3 is lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which is a great antioxidant. Due to a high content of antioxidant and citric acid, it is a perfect remedy to treat acne. It will remove excess oil and kill acne-causing bacteria. So take a few drops of lemon juice and directly apply it on your back and shoulder for around 30 minutes. Number 4, coconut oil. Apart from various health benefits, you can use coconut oil to treat acne as well. Coconut oil has natural antibacterial properties which helps in treating acne. You can massage coconut oil on your back daily before taking a bath. Number 5, turmeric. Turmeric is the oldest remedy for acne. It has been used for a very long time. Curcumin in turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help in treating your acne fast. So you have to mix a tablespoon of turmeric powder in water to make a thick paste. Apply it on your skin for 20 minutes and then wash it off. So guys, in today's video, we got to know about effective ways to get rid of back and shoulder acne. So these are some of the home remedies that you can do at home. If you like my today's video, then give me a hit thumbs up and you can comment me below in the comment section for more such inquiries. And do not forget to subscribe our channel Bhavya GlamGirl. Till then, stay glamorous with me. Bye.